Hey everybody, this is Grow It Build It, and I'm going to show you how I cleaned up a mess in my shop, aka I organized my clamps. I've been throwing them on these shelves for a year now, and I figured I'd just take some scrap wood and see what I could do. I had no formal plans for this. Basically this was 100% on the fly, but I ripped a couple of strips of wood off of some really seriously scrap wood, and basically I built my design around that. I made a couple of blocks that I could eventually cut grooves in to put them in, but first I need to get my boards the right size and get them at least somewhat square. So I just threw them in the vise, shaved them up with the hand plane, and squared them up a bit. And after that I used that to trace the profile onto the blocks I would use. Set the depth with those, and basically all I had to do then was take my blocks where I traced the profile on and cut it down like this. Once I did that, it would be really easy to knock that whole chunk of wood out with a chisel. Now most people would use a table saw for this, but I don't have one. So I'm using a handsaw and a chisel and a block of wood to knock the stuff out. Anyways though, since I'm going with the grain, it's really easy to pop the whole chunk of wood out. Kind of nice. After that, you just need to clean it up quite a bit. Try to get it somewhat square so that it'll fit the profile, obviously using your marking lines as the gauge. And if your chisels are flat, it should work pretty good. Once that's done, all you need to do then is glue them up. So I just put glue into the block I was going to go into. I'm not terribly worried about strength on this one. If somebody wants to break this, they can. But I just clamped them all up and left them overnight. After that, I just need to trim the tails off each of the blocks I did. It only takes a minute with that handsaw. I really love that little cheap Lowe's Japanese style handsaw. It comes in handy. After that, I just threw a couple of pilot holes in, shot some screws, and I was done. Now, this is kind of a different way to store your clamps. It's pretty unique to my situation, but it might inspire you and give you some ideas. So I hope you liked it. Thank you.